Hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial, and in this video I will be showing you how you can recreate this leaf vector illustration upon Adobe Illustrator, and it's really easy to do. And let's dive right in. So the first thing that I will be doing is that I will open up a new document, and for this video I will be using this custom size document right here, which is 1000 by 1000 pixels. And I will be renaming my document to be leaf vector. If you want, you can use any of these pre-loaded custom size documents which is available on Adobe Illustrator. But in case if you want to use the same document size that I am using, just type in 1000 by 1000 in the width and the height option right here and change the dimensions to pixels. And once that's done, and once you've chosen your document size, I'm going to go ahead and click on enter, and there you go. Right, so now the first thing that I will be doing is that I will be using this ellipse tool right here to make the base of my leaf. I do not require the fill as of now, so what I'll do is that I'll just drag my mouse like this to make an ellipse. Go over here to this direct selection tool, select this anchor point and click on shift to select the other anchor points as well. And I'll be using this, selecting this one which says convert selected anchor points into corners like this, and we get a kind of a leaf type of shape, right? And then we can just use these anchor points to adjust the shape like that. Or just make this like this. So once we've got that, now I will be making the stem of this leaf. So I will be using the pen tool again, and I will be giving the fill to be dark green, and I do not require the stroke. So I'll just start by making this kind of a shape like this. Then close it right here. So once that's done, I'm just going to bring this on the top right there, and I will be now dividing this leaf into two separate parts. So I will be using the pencil tool, and I will just make one line going across my leaf shape like this. Swap this because I do not require the fill, I just need the stroke like that. I'm going to select these two, come over here to this Pathfinder panel and click on this divide option right here, and then a shape does get divided but it's still grouped into one. So I'll right click on this and select ungroup, and now you can see that it gets divided into two equal parts, right? So now I will be adding these two shapes into a gradient, right? So over here in this gradient panel, by default the gradient is white to black. So I'm going to change that now. I'll select this white one and change it into light green, and select this black one, change it to dark green, light green like that. Okay, so we've got this. I'm going to select this and add the gradient as well, but I will be changing the angle to 45 degrees like this, and there you go. Or probably, wait, I'm going to change the angle to minus 45 degrees like that. Okay. Wait, I just want to change the angle. Let's see. Yeah. Okay, so it was like this. And now I'm just going to select these and I will get rid of the stroke as well. Okay. And I'm just going to bring the stem right over here back into the front portion like that. Right click on this, go to arrange and say bring to front. And I'm just going to bring it here. And I'm just going to adjust this as well. These two anchor points. Right. Just the problem. Yeah. Okay. And I'll bring this one up like that. Get this anchor point a little down as well. So it doesn't necessarily have to be perfect, but we do get a leaf shape. Now I will be adding the side veins as well. So in order to do that, I will be using the pencil tool again, but this time the fill is going to be white. And I'm just going to draw like this, but I want the stroke to be white instead. So you can just make these type of lines. So that to give it a more realistic effect. Like this. And done. So once that's made, what I'm going to do is that I'll just carefully select the veins that we had made. Like these. I'm going to change the stroke weight to 4 points. And over here in this uniform panel, I'll be choosing this triangle one like that. And I will be reducing the opacity to 50% like that. So once that's made, I'm going to select this lower one, go to Effect, Stylize, and add a drop shadow as well. And I'm going to go ahead and click on OK. And there you go. We have now made a leaf vector up on Adobe Illustrator. So now the only thing that is left to do is to save this as an AI file. So in order to do that, I'll be going to File and clicking on Save As. So by default, my file name is going to be the same as my document name, which was a leaf vector, and my Save As type is going to be Adobe Illustrator. I highly recommend that we save a file in this format so that in case if I want to make any further changes, I can easily do that by accessing my AI file, and I'll click on Save and click on OK. And there you go. So once you see this .ai right in front of your document name, you can be rest assured that your document has been successfully saved as an AI file. So that's it. Now that we've come to the end of our tutorial, I hope you found this video to be useful, and with a little practice, you can make more such vector graphics up on Adobe Illustrator as well. So thank you for watching and stay tuned for more.